Alright, let's go, gentlemen. Overlord 2, this is Hunter. Radio check.
Overlord. Check.
Copy. Copy, we are heading towards the base now.
Solid copy, proceed with caution.
Roger, everyone hit the deck.
Roger. I think we're good to get out the mud.
Yep. Alright, cross. Alright.
Crossing.
Alright, here's the game plan. Make sure we plant the bomb on the plane. So that'll be Voodoo and Dinez's job. Pepper, you're with me, taking the ATC tower.
Copy.
What do you advise you looking at a heavy cliff though?
Golf, yeah.
Hold. Multiple tangos guard at the guard post. Alright, let's line up to take out these guys. Alright, I only see about 2 guys out here. Alright. Execute on 2.
Fuck's sake.
So much for smooth.
Okay, Kozak, you stick with Voodoo. Pepper on me.
Copy.
Tango front. Alright.
Right on you.
Alright, on you. Target's down. Alright. 30. Kozak, this is your stop. Pepper on me.
Copy.
Good hunting, boys.
Likewise. Alright, let's take it. Yeah.
Overlord, this is Hunter. ATC.
Solid copy.
Ready? Go.
Turn left.
Copy. Taking
Stairs.
this door.
Remember you.
Go. Yep. Destroy everything seen in that plane. Good kill, Pepper.
Stairs. Remember
Roger.
down.
Taking this room.
Clear. Hold
Okay.
stairs.
Roger.
Clear.
Hold. Or actually, don't hold yet. I got the bathroom.
Copy. Reaching.
What the fuck?
Oh, we got a lot of guys in there.
Going, going, going.
Yep.
Dead check. Go.
Copy.
Alright, I'll cover you.
Reaching. What?
All these bastards had on no more grenades, so that's not gonna do
Stereo
much
clear.
here.
Alright. Pepper, search for the black box. We only got 10 minutes before the Russians start asking what the hell's going on.
Copy.
Or not, my bad, not 10 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 mics.
Alright. Hunter, this is Overlord. Be advised. Target secure for now.
Solid copy.
Pepper, get in here and support
Roger.
SSE.
Copy. Where the fuck are you?
I'm downstairs, the room that had a bunch of tangos.
Oh, copy.
Search this room for any dossiers or what the hell?
Fuck!
What was that?
Be advised, Kozak builder just went fucking down. Explosives.
Alright, what was in that dossier?
Oh, look, you need to see this.
Copy. Here.
There you go.
If that didn't
Oh
light
my
a beacon,
goodness.
I don't know what will.
Overlord, we got a problem. Contact, pull the plug! Oh shit! What we got? Kozak, you still up, Ellie?
Yeah, I'm still up. Multiple contacts coming from the
I got one
north
moving
side.
out. One moving out of cover.
Oh,
Moving.
fuck.
I got no bolt right in front. I got no shot. Got one. I got high raptor. Another one down.
Loaded.
RPG man. Done.
Keep popping.
Alright. We need to get the flank on these guys hard. Voodoo, is that where you're already up to? Ready? Let's go. Kozak, what do you do? Anything? Copy. Kozak, go with him. Copy. Good? Roger. Who's coming up? Kozak, get on the turret. Actually, hold on. Pepper, get on the turret. Here comes the enemy choppers. You may be exposed pretty soon, gentlemen. Oh Lord. Shit. Overlord, be advised, you may need that QRF and air support pretty soon. Okay, right here.
Solid copy. QRF coming out.
Yep. I don't think this was going to make a great defendable position for everyone. Down. I had no idea what he said. CIA.
Frag.
Yeah, they're trying to smoke it. They're trying to smoke their position. Good frag. Good frag.
Enemy armor.
They might be thinking we're getting attacked by trying to rebels here. Let me in. Overlord, what's the support? What's the status on that fire support?
QRF 2 mics out.
Roger.
report.
Holy fuck, I'm flying.